Hello, I'm Mesfin. Welcome to Reading Tigrinya Lessons. Lesson 2. In the first lesson, we have learned 6 letters. Be, Se, She, Ze, Ke, and Khe. We have seen that every letter set is formed by 7 rows. And we have learned which vowel belongs to which row. And we decide to read the vowels in their origin, Latin. A to the first row, U to the second, E to the third, A to the fourth, and O to the seventh. In between we have EA. And we learned also which sign we add to the first letter, B, Bu, Bi, Ba, Bie, B, Bo. In this second lesson, we will learn 2 more letters, Le and A, and we will read together our first words and some sentences in Tigrinya. Then we will conclude the B group. Please, if you have learned lesson 1, first watch and work through that video. To learn to read the script, we use 5 steps. In the few first lessons, we will use 2 steps. Qutsri and Nibab. Qutsri means in Tigrinya number. Nibab means in Tigrinya reading. In our lessons, we will call the Qutsri step numerate step and Nibab step reading step. Qutsri. First, we read each letter in the word separate. Nibab. Second, we read all letters together. For example, let us take the 2 words, Seb and Kohob. Numerate step, Se, B, Se, B, Ko, Ho, B, Ko, Ho, B. Reading step, Seb, Seb, Kohob, Kohob. Se, B, Seb, Kohob, Kohob. Seb means person, human being, or people. Kohob means star. Let us read some more words to the B group. Se, B, Seb, person. Could be, circle. Cab, cab, from. Shibo, ring. Kohob, star. Sebeba, mold. Kebib, round. Kebesa, highland in Eritrea. In this occasion, I would like to explain you the punctuation in Tigrinya. Arba'ate netbi. You don't need to read it, just to know only. Arba'ate netbi correspond to English full stop. Arba'ate netbi, full stop. Klite netbi, 2 points, comma. Klite netbi, comma. Netzela serez and Drib serez, we will take it like semicolon. Netzela serez, Drib serez correspond to semicolon. Nay ሕቶ ምልክት question mark. There are 3 points. Now let us read our 2 new letters. Le, we pronounce it like lemon in English. A, we pronounce it like apple in English. Le, lu, li, la, lie, le, lo. Le, lu, li, la, lie, le, lo. Le like lemon in English. Lu like look, li like lips, la like lamp, lie like lady, le and lo like log. Now let us see how we put the signs. Le, the first one, we do not add any sign. Lu, we add a line on the middle of the right leg. Li, we add a line on the bottom of the right leg. La, we have short left leg. Lie, we put a circle on the bottom of the right leg. Le and lo. Le and lo are a little bit different than the letter B set. A like apple. A, U, I, A, E, O. A like apple, U like Uruguay, I like ink, A like arm, E like airport, E and O like orange. E we cannot write in English. Let us read some words, demonstrative pronoun and proposition. Easy, 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 busy, 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 easy, easy, busy, busy. Easy. I put only a line here because we cannot write the letter E in English. Easy, easy, busy, busy. Easy means this one, masculine. Easy means this one, feminine. Busy means here, and busy this direction. Let us write a sentence, for example, busy, seb, seb, allo, allo. 4 نتبي full stop. Busy, seb, allo. Here is a person. But if we translate it word by word, it means here there is a person. Allo and Allah, it means there is. Allah is feminine, Allo is masculine. There is. Busy, busy, كلبي كلبي allo allo. Here is a dog, masculine. Abzi abzi seli seli allo allo. Abzi seli allo. Here is a picture, masculine. Abzi, abzi, silki, Allah, Allah. Abzi, silki, Allah. Here is a telephone. Allah, because the noun silky in Tigrinya is feminine. Seli is masculine noun. Kelbi is masculine noun. Let us read some more words. Seli, seli, abzi, abzi, zia, zia, aloka, aloka, aloki, aloki, zelilu, zelilu, zelila, zelila, silki, silki, siila, siila, siilu, siilu. I read now only in reading step. Sli, abzi, zia, aloka, aloki, zelilu, zelila, silki, siila, siilu. Seli means picture, abzi, here, zia, this one, feminine, aloka, you have, masculine, aloki, you have, feminine, zelilu, he jumps, zelila, she jumps, silki, telephone, siila, she draws, siilu, he draws. Here in the 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, we miss the personal pronouns. Because in Tigrinya, if we say aloka with this ka, we understand that it means to the pronoun you. Aloka, you have. We don't need to put the pronoun at this moment. Aloki, you have, feminine, and it means you have, feminine. Let us continue. Abzi, abzi, kelbi, kelbi, allo, allo. Abzi, kelbi, allo. Allo because kelbi in Tigrinya is masculine noun. Abzi, abzi, silki, silki, Allah, Allah. Abzi, silki, Allah. Allah because silki is feminine noun in Tigrinya. Azieb, azieb, kohob, kohob, siila, siila. Azieb, kohob, siila. Azieb is a proper noun. Azieb draws a star. In this lesson, our sentence seems meaningless, but don't forget, our goal is to learn to read Tigrinya. Nevertheless, after we have learned all the letters, we will read some sentence for daily communication and dialogues. It will be very interesting. That is Giz with its approximately 289 letters. Now let us read the 2 new letters, Le and A, Le, Lu, Li, La, Lie, Le, Lo. A, U, I, A, E, O. You can see here all have the same system. Be, by Bu, we add a line in the right middle leg B or C or she. With the vowel E, we put a line or a sign in the bottom of the right leg. Ba, we have short left leg. Bie, we put a circle on the right leg. And they follow all the B group, the same system. Let us repeat our sentences. abzi, abzi, kelebi, kelbi, allo, allo. abzi, kelbi, allo. abzi, abzi, silki, silki, alla, alla. abzi, silki, alla. አዝየብ አዝየብ ኮኸብ ኮኸብ ስኢላ ስኢላ አዝየብ ኮኸብ ስኢላ አብየል አብየል ኮኸብ ኮኸብ ስኢሉ ስኢሉ. Here is a dog, masculine. Here there is a telephone, or there is telephone, feminine. Here Azib draws a star, Abel draws a star. Abzi kalbi allo, Abzi silki alla, Azib kohob siila, Abel kohob siilu. You can see in Tigrinya the verb comes always at the end of the sentence. Allo, Allah, siila, siilu. And those are the handwritten letters. Now we have a summary here. Seb, kohob. Seb means person, human being, people. Kohob means star. We have seen some demonstrative pronoun and preposition. Ezi, ezia, abzi, bezi. On the punctuation in Tigrinya, أربعة نتبي، كلتا نتبي، نتسلا سرز، درب سرز، نايحتو ملكت. Full stop, comma, semicolon, question mark. And we have seen that in Tigrinya we have 2 times you. You masculine and you feminine. Alloka, you have. Alloki, you have feminine. And we read those sentences. Abzi, abzi, kelebi, kelbi, allo. Allo, masculine. Because kalbi is masculine noun in Tigrinya. Abzi, abzi, silki, silki, alla. Silki is a feminine noun. Allo and Allah means there is. Allo is masculine, Allah is feminine. Okay. Now we will see why we call it B group and why we divided the gaze orders in groups. B, Se, She, Ze, Ke, He, Le, and A. Here we have B. If you put a vertical line over B, it will be Se. If you put a horizontal line over Se, it will be She. If we cancel the upper part of B and we put a horizontal line in the middle, it will be Ze. B, Se, She, Ze. He, Ke, He, Le, and A. We can see which signs we add to B to make the letter Ke, He, Le, and A. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, comment, or critique, I am at your disposal. Write me in the comment part below of this video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe.